talented artists, communities, and folk festival. That is what my province is known for. It offers diverse natural and man-made attractions and is also known for its bountiful harvest of fruits and the rich bounty of fresh water. My province has so much to offer, from food, clothing to culture and more. Kaya tara, I welcome you to my beautiful province, the cradle of Philippine arts, province of Rizal. One of the main attractions of Rizal is Antipolo Cathedral, a place where you can be at peace, a place you can call home. Antipolo Cathedral. It is a Roman Catholic cathedral located in Antipolo City in the Philippines. It enshrines the Marian image of Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage and is the seat of the Bishop of Antipolo. A trip to Antipolo will not be completed without buying any pasalubong. Antipolo is not just the pilgrimage capital of the Philippines, but also the home of some of the delightful delicacies. Now allow me to list down the things that you should definitely buy when visiting Antipolo. Possible one of the trademarks of Antipolo, their famous kakanin, and one of the most popular is their suman. Wawa Dam is a gravity dam constructed over the Marikina River in the municipality of Rodriguez in Rizal Province. Legend said that in the olden times, folk hero Bernardo Carpio, a demigod and giant of extraordinary strength, was said to hold the two mountains apart with his mighty hands to prevent them from colliding. His enemy, the enchanted king of the mountain of San Mateo, had his revenge when he enticed Bernardo to enter Pamintinan Cave. The riverbed is said to have a boulder with a hollow that forms a gigantic footprint attributed by locals to Bernardo Carpio. Historically, the site was used as a hideout by the revolutionary leader Andres Bonifacio, who made one of Pamintinan Caves as the Katipunan's secret headquarters. Bonifacio and 8 of his men entered the cave on Palm Sunday and came out on Good Friday. Located in the humble barangay of Halayhayin in Pililla, to be more precise, the Rizal Wind Farm is the newest addition to the growing list of tourist hotspots within close proximity of the capital, just 2 hours away. The province of Rizal, named after national hero Dr. Jose Rizal, also lies on the northern shores of Laguna de Bay, the largest lake in the country. This mountainous province is perched on the western slopes of the southern portions of the Sierra Madre mountain range. There is surely so much more places to visit in the province of Rizal, a place where you can shop, relax, enjoy, and have fun. But one thing is for sure, the moment you step into this province, unending memories will capture your heart. This is Natsumi Takiguchi, Miss Tourism Philippines Rizal 2021. Tara na't pumasyal sa probinsya ng Rizal!